we're trying to do is make sure there's going to be the face guard is going to kind of come up here a little bit at an angle. So we're going to making sure we're trying to get the lettering kind of coming where you can still see that with some angles of the T. Always remember in airbrushing, just kind of keep everything clean, keep your air holes opened up on the paint caps, make sure those are opened up, and your tip is all clean on your airbrush. And paint's kind of thin down a little bit where it runs nice and smooth, you don't get splatters, and it's just flowing pretty nice right now. The cool part about some of this stuff in the overspray, I mean, granted, I want to keep some of it to a minimum, but we know we've got black as a background, so we can always come back in and tighten up anything that we need, like some of this over here. I'm going to add more black and fade it. I'm going to put a little bit more of the background textures in there. But right now, we're just going to get a nice smooth coat. Get a booger out or something. We want to keep it where it's nice and thinned out a little bit, where we're able to come in here and get a nice even coat. And every layer gets a little darker, but you got to keep your thinner paints, like these neon colors, are thin paints, and they have a tendency to, if you throw them on thick, they'll spider on you. And so you got to really be careful. Use light coat, and then go in and dry it so it doesn't spider on you. And you'll just get to feel like when your tip needs to be cleaned. But you got to remember too, like dissolves like. So paint will make some of the other paint kind of get, we're able to clean it off. So sometimes a wet needle will kind of help some of the other paint that's already dried. So, along with some solvents and things as well. Not too worried about some of the inside and the screens. Some stuff we're just not going to be able to, you know, when we have to go with it, when we put a letter or certain things with vent holes in certain areas, we can sometimes get around that by trying to get our design incorporated into it, but sometimes you're just kind of left at the mercy of however it falls. Put a little bit more darker line. There's like one of them little specks. Sometimes you get in there, you get them quick before they have time to set up and get them blown off. But I mean, things happen, man. It's just part of the airbrush world. You get in there and you gotta, you know, your brush might get a booger that you didn't know you had, and come in there and ruin something, and come around, and then I also want it to be readable too. But that green really pops on black, and it kind of really makes it really look nice, and it kind of keeps in with the theme of the logo. And we'll see how it looks. Just maybe one here and one there, maybe 3 of them, and bring it as it goes up, and see. But that's kind of where we're going. Alrighty, I think we'll start cleaning up some of the white and stuff, because let's get a rough lay in. And we'll go back in and kind of detail up some stuff with some black. Get that little tip up. Alright.